So for my speech science in real life video, I took a video of some battle ropes at the gym where you can see a wave rippling across them. And this mimics a sound wave, and it's not perfect, but there are elements of periods and amplitudes and wavelengths. So I thought this was a pretty good example of something that reminded me of a sound wave. There's a driving force, so there's a person who is doing these with their arms, and they're alternating with each arm, so the waves are in different periods, but this could also be simultaneous, and then they would be in the same phase. You can see that the loop around the pole acts as a fixed boundary, so this could be thought of like a tube with one open end and one closed end, therefore acting a little bit like a quarter resonator, but it's not a perfect boundary. So there's also elements of interference here where the energy could be traveling around the other wave, so there could be some constructive or destructive interference. And the wave is reflected on the ground, so you can see that it's hitting the ground, and some of the energy is lost there and dampened by the carpet. And then eventually it stops, even though this video is on a loop, it does stop because there's no driving force. So the person that is behind this motion stops, and it returns back to rest.